today I'm going to teach you how to make this animation. So first, create a new composition, leave the settings as is, type in the text that you want, also pick a color that you're not gonna use or you don't want to use. It's better that way. Just wait and you'll find out why. So after typing your text, press Ctrl and double tap on that. I don't even know what it's called, but you saw what I did. After that, align everything and press Ctrl D to make one more layer. Now change the color, make 5 more layers like this. After making 5 more, a 6th one will have its color change and you will make 4 more. So now basically all you need to do is type in the letters one by one. Now spread them out like this and align them to the original text. Now after you've aligned everything to the original word, select all of these layers and pick the pan behind tool and press Ctrl and double click it. Now make the word and the letters disappear. We don't need them right now. Now grab the rectangle tool and change it to the ellipse tool. You can do that by pressing on it and dragging it down. It will show you more shapes that you can use. After doing that, press Ctrl and the pan behind tool. Now after doing that, also align everything so it's centered. Now we can start playing with the keyframes. So you'll want this shape to appear a bit later, a few frames later. So basically press on the shape layer and press B, then press S and select the keyframes. After doing that, let's put the scale to 0 so it's not even visible. Move a few frames and make it 120. Now after making it 120, move a few frames ahead, make it 90, and after making it 90, move a few frames ahead and make it 100. Keyframe for position, we want to move the ball to the right and make it smaller. Move the ball to the left so it's touching the wall, but before it's even touching it, scale it up so it's like 1.5x of its original size. After doing that, well, wait and you'll see. So now it makes this awesome animation, but it still doesn't look that good. Why does it look that good? I'll tell you now, because these keyframes aren't easy in. We need to press F9 to make it smoother. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. But it's still not that smooth, so go into the graph editor and select the other graph. This one is useless, and play with the keyframes a bit. Okay, after that, select everything and make it visible. Now, after making it visible, move a few frames ahead and make a keyframe here for position. Now, after doing that, move to the keyframe where the ball touches the wall that exact time and align all these letters so they're in the middle and move them to the ball. Well, behind the ball. Now also F9 all the keyframes so it's smooth as butter. I am retarded. Now press R and make sure that you press R when the letters are at their original word position. Now press keyframe for R and basically
one letter goes right, second letter goes left, third letter goes right, fourth letter goes left, and so on. Now you'll see that the animation looks even cooler now. So what can we do to make this even better? I'll show you alright what we can do to make this better.
We are going to select all of these keyframes and press F9 so they're even more smoother. I forgot what I was supposed to do next. Yeah, basically now we want to play with the ball. So with the balls, no, the ball. So basically move it to the end of the word, and after moving it, make it so that it seems like a, I don't know what it's called, but basically the thing used at the end of the sentence. Yeah, I forgot what it's called. You're not gonna get that from me today. So after doing that, we're gonna make more keyframes so that it makes this bouncing effect. So make a keyframe here, move it up a bit so it's like on 540. Now move a few frames ahead and make it go back to its original position, and another keyframe, and now make it go up but not as high as the first time, and the last keyframe, make it go back to its original position, and it's gonna make this bouncing effect. See, now it's really cool, but we are gonna make it even cooler. Select the ball while it's in the middle of the screen, move it up. Now it makes this triangle, we don't want that, so select the pen tool and make it smoother so it's more not hard-edged or something like that. I'm hard-edged. Create an adjustment layer. I'm not finding one right now, as you can see. Select the echo effect and drag it onto the adjustment layer. So after doing that, we're gonna play with the echo time in seconds. So we want to do that at minus 0.002. Number of echoes, however you want, whatever you want. It depends what you're looking for, I guess. Also do it to maximum so it doesn't mess up the colors and the animation. Now this is too much echoes for me, so I'm gonna make it a bit less. You want the letters to start showing as soon as the ball hits the wall. You can do that by just basically doing this. And yeah, that's it.